So good evening students, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to discuss illustration number 22 from B.B.Dam book Partnership Fundamentals. So what is given in the question that Amit and Sumit are partners sharing profits in proportion of 3:2. So what is the profit sharing ratio? It is 3:2 and their amount of capital contribution is 2 lakh and 1 lakh respectively. Interest on capital is agreed at 5% per annum. On 1/10/2020, that is in the 1st of October. On the 1st of October, Amit had advanced a loan of rupees 60,000 to the firm. So Amit has given loan to the firm on the 1st of October. So starting from October till March 21, it is 6 months. During the year ending on 31st March 2021, neither the loan amount nor the interest was paid. So not the loan amount nor the interest on loan was paid to the partner, that is Amit, by the firm. Sumit is to be allowed an annual salary of rupees 20,000 which has not been withdrawn by him. So Sumit is to be allowed an annual salary of rupees 20,000. Annual salary means for the whole year Sumit is going to receive an amount of rupees 20,000 as salary, but he has not withdrawn that amount from the firm. A provision of 20% of the net profit is to be made in respect of commission to the manager. So 20% of net profit is the commission to manager. The partnership business was carried in the premises owned by Amit. So Amit, in the premises of Amit, the partnership business was carried on, for which a monthly rent of rupees 2,000 is payable. So see, Amit is to now the business is carried out in the premises owned by Amit. So for that reason Amit will receive a rent of rupees 2,000 monthly. On monthly basis he will receive an amount of rupees 2,000 as rent. As per the agreement with the owner or partner, the municipal tax of rupees 1,000 per annum is also payable by the firm. So municipal tax is how much? 1,000. Per annum means for the whole year the amount is 1,000. During the year 2020 to 21, the profits of the firm prior to calculation of interest on capital, interest on loan, rent to the partner, municipal tax and manager's commission, but after charging Sumit's salary amounted to rupees 1,56,800. So prior to calculation of interest on capital, prior means what? Before. Before calculation of interest on capital, interest on loan, rent, municipal tax and manager's commission, but after charging Sumit's salary amounted to rupees 1,56,800. That means what? Sumit's salary has been charged. Sumit's salary has been charged in this amount. That means what? Sumit's salary is deducted from this amount. So you have been asked to prepare an account showing the allocation of profit. You just have to take out the profit of Amit and Sumit. Got my point? Now you just see the sum. So here you see what is the profit of the firm during 2020 to 21. It is 1,56,800. So Sumit's salary was deducted, yes or no, from this profit. So that is to be added up. 1,76,800 is the profit. Then from this profit, since rent, municipal tax, interest on loan, manager's commission is not to be written in the profit and loss appropriation account, so these expenses are to be deducted from this profit to arrive at the net profit. So what is the rent payable to Amit? It is 2,000 into 12, 24,000. Okay, 2000 per month, so multiplied by 12 for the whole year, the rent is 24,000. Municipal tax is 1000 for the whole year. Interest on loan to farm by Amit, okay, it is 60,000 for 6 months, so 6 by 12. And since rate of interest is not mentioned in the question, so it is 6%, that is 6 by 100. When you cancel it out, you will get 1800. Okay, so now you have to take out the manager's commission. It is said in the question that manager's commission is 20% of the net profit. Okay, so net profit means what? This profit minus this three expenses, that is rent, municipal tax and interest on loan. Okay, so when you deduct, okay, these three expenses from the profit, okay, and take out the percentage, that is 20% of this, okay, you will get 30,000. so that is manager's commission. Okay, now you add all the four items, put it here, okay, right here, okay, and take out the net profit, which is 1,20,000. Now you have to prepare the profit and loss appropriation account for the year ended 31st March 2021. So it's nothing, you just have to put the net profit of the firm, which is 1,20,000. Interest on capital is Amit and Sumit, 2 lakh and 1 lakh is the capital amount of capital contribution, and 5% is the rate of interest. So you take out the interest and put the amount. Okay, salary you write Sumit, it is 20,000. Okay, and then the share of profit you will get as 85,000. You divide it amongst Amit and Sumit, okay, in the ratio of 3:2. Okay, that is 3 by 5, okay, and 2 by 5. You will get 51,000 and 34,000 is the answer. So hope you have understood this sum. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.